So special thanks to Funwind, who was nice enough to send us their handheld shower head. This one has 10 different spray modes and it's filtered in high pressure. So gotta love that. Just a Funwind logo on the top, same on the bottom. The side goes over all of your different spray modes. Soft spray, rain and massage, massage, intense spray, spray and rain, massage and misty, rain, misty, power wash. So let's take it on out of the box here. The back just has that same information, so let's see what actually comes in it. So right on top is your typical user's manual. Very nice. Looks like it comes with your tape and everything, so this will help you install it if you don't know how to install a shower head. There is our cable that runs from the top of the shower head to the physical shower head itself. There's some washers to make sure some water doesn't leak. There's that tape I was talking about. And then this is the part that will actually screw on to the physical shower head itself. And then that cable will screw into here, which the other end of it will of course screw onto the actual shower head. This looks very nice. These are also on the inside here to help stop leaks as well. So they give you extra ones. And then that's it for the box. This is the actual shower head itself. Down here, this is the filtration that it's talking about. So like I said, this hose will screw right onto here, and then as the water passes through this, it will filter it. Looks like that is turn offable and onable maybe, I don't know. That's some kind of button, but you can just rotate this to your 10 different modes. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, these must add 9 and 10 down here. But that is essentially the shower head. The filtration works naturally. There's nothing at all to do there. You just plug it in and it does what it needs to. But very nice and shiny, nice big shower head. Pretty easy to hold in the hands, no complaints there. So I think that will do it for this Funwind shower head unboxing. So again, thanks to Funwind for sending the shower head for us to unbox and show you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.